Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with some happy mail, and this one comes from Brenda, and I got it was it today? Yes, today. We didn't get a chance to go to the mail yesterday because we couldn't find our keys. So yeah. Anyways, so let's go ahead and see what Brenda sent us, and I will link her channel down in the description below so you guys could go over and check her out. Oh, sorry you guys, I should have been better prepared, but you guys know how I am. I don't open anything until, or cut anything till, oh, I don't want to mess up the envelope. Anyways, oh, okay, so let me make sure. I see Christmas, so let's see. Oh, how cute. So she's just saying, Kathy, thank you so much for your Christmas card. It was beautiful. Just wanted to say happy Valentine's Day in the Brenda from Brenda's Creations. And how cute. Is this envelope already made, or did you make this? Oh, it's already made, I think. Unless it was a card. Could have been a card. Looks like an envelope. How cute. Look it. So actually you could reuse this. Let me see if it's the right size. Oh, it's a little bit bigger. I was going to say I could reuse this and use it as a memory dex card. But it's a little too long, so I can always hold it and use it for something else. So she sent me these cute hearts. I actually just saw her video today on her some Valentine's I think I don't know what she did, but she did some Valentine's, and these were some of the hearts. I think it was one of the swaps that she did. So look at you guys. How cute. And this is this a foam that you smashed? How cute. Look at, so how cute. So she has this is foam, and then this is a flower, a die cut flower, and then she went ahead and did a die cut leaf on the back, and then she has a piece of ephemera which she glossy accented on the sides right here, and then she did a heart and then a heart, and this is a Sizzix heart. I know because I have it and I love it. It's awesome to have. So she did that, and then she sent me a few little extras, and let me see. Let's go ahead and see the little extras. So she sent me some bits of shakers. This is cute. And then it has some hearts in there, and it looks like these are punched out hearts. Yeah, with some sequins, and this cute little, I don't know if you guys could see that heart sequence. How cute. That is so cute. I like these. And then so cute. I love her sequins. And then she has some that I don't know if you guys could see, like the sparkly. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys could see it. So that's cute. I like her sequence mix. That's cute. Oh, here we go. Let me just take everything out because I want to see the die cuts. So here's the smaller heart that goes with that. And then she did some punch out hearts, and they're all different. So let's go ahead and see. So right now, before I forget, you guys, Brenda is having a challenge. It ends on the 31st of March, and it's her birthday challenge. Her birthday's March the 8th. See, I remember because I actually did a VR, or I'm supposed to do a VR for her. So, all she's wanting is a memory dex card with your info in the back. How cute. And yay. So you guys go over, check her channel out. I will link her down on the description below so you guys could go over, show her some love and support, and hopefully enter her challenge. And I will be sending mine out hopefully soon. How cute. I like these hearts. I like the die cut on the back, and then she has this cute little frame heart, and then there's a bigger one of this right here. How cute. I like that. And then she has a love die, and then I think I saw swans over here. I did see swans. How cute. And she has the ones that are double sided. So, oh, thank you so much, Brenda. And everybody, thank you for watching. Go ahead and go over to Brenda's channel, show her some love and support, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.